Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up higher yesterday with soybeans leading the way. Same remains true this morning, all currently higher, beans leading the way as well. Soybeans finding support due to one, lack of cancellations from China before their Lunar New Year. Typically in the past when we've seen them come through with some cancellations, it's happened before their Lunar New Year holiday. Well, that kicked off this past Friday, January the 31st, without any cancellations coming through. So as we go through the holiday and come to the end of it, if we don't start seeing some cancellations after their holiday is over, definitely could provide some support to the soybean market, as the trade definitely is expecting some cancellations. None yet, therefore we're adding some premium. Soybeans also finding support from a really strong soybean meal market. Both the outright futures and bull spreads have been pretty strong there. That's providing some support to the soybean market as well. As far as wheat goes, getting some snow coverage out in the plains, where there have been some winter kill concerns, so that could ease some of those concerns, although some damage probably has already been done. That could ease some of the winter kill talk. Got some short covering rally for the wheat market right now. And also, Stats Canada came out with their December 31 stocks this morning. So if you go over to the grain analysts page, check out the daily report. It has all those information listed for you as far as wheat stocks, corn stocks, and soybean stocks from what Stats Canada estimated this morning for their December 31st 2013 stocks, and we'll have the comparison for what they had in December 31st 2012 as well. So other than that, not really a whole lot of news out there. It is a little dry in Brazil as far as soybeans go, but they're about 60% harvested. Not really much concern there. As far as resistance points, corn's fronted into resistance at around 440. Beans resistance is at $13. But we've actually traded through that this morning, but it'll need to close through it for that to be a strong indicator that that could actually turn into support. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.